Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library, and today I'm going to show you how to pay for your library fees or fines using our SmartPay website. Before we begin, you want to make sure you have your Kings County Library card, as well as know the 4 numbers that correspond to your personal identification number or PIN number. Once you have your library card number and your PIN number, then you want to go to the library's website, which is kingscountylibrary.org. Then once you're at this home page, you want to click the option My Account. Once you arrive at the ValleyCat homepage, you're going to click the Pay Online option that is shown here in this submenu. Now we've arrived at the SmartPay homepage. On this main page, you can see the 3 brands of cards needed to pay for any library fees or fines. There's also an option here to change the information from English into Spanish. So now we're going to type in the library card number, as well as the 4 numbers for our PIN. After we type those 2 pieces of information in, then we'll click the Login button. You'll be able to tell if you successfully logged into the SmartPay website because you'll see the following screen. Where we currently are is the home page, and the next tab is corresponding to paying fines or fees. In this tab, we see that there is currently 1 outstanding fine for this particular user. It shows the code, the amount, the type of fine, and then the reason for that particular fine. After that, we'll select the fine that we're wanting to pay for. Then we'll type in credit card information or card information, such as name, card number, expiration date, CCV security code, then check the I'm not a robot box. And once that information has been submitted, then you can click the Finish button. And one thing to keep in mind is that the payment minimum is $2. Once all that information has been submitted and you press Finish, it will be instantly shown in the My History tab, which is located right here. If you have access to a printer, there's also an option to print out a receipt of what you've paid for in reference to your fine or fee by pressing the Print button right here. Once you're done paying for your library fines or fees, then you want to make sure that you log out of the SmartPay account by clicking the Log Out button. If you've successfully logged out of the SmartPay website, you will see the following screen shown here. This concludes the tutorial for how to use the SmartPay website to pay for library fees and fines. Thank you and have a good day.